Okay, today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR cake display case. And although this is a nice large box, one of the things I found that I like about it is it actually comes with a pallet. So if you're lucky enough to have a pallet jack, you can use that to move this guy around. Now it is heavy, but it is not super heavy. I don't have a pallet jack. I was still able to move this into this room and then pick it up and put it on that table by myself. But having that pallet means that you can save yourself a lot of effort in the event that you need to move it a long distance. So these straps are attached to the pallet. And then lift this box off. Only problem I have is that I don't have enough room on top to where I could actually lift it. So if you had this guy on the floor, that would probably make your life a lot easier. I'm gonna do... Oh wow, that is actually a supremely thick piece of cardboard that they're using. There we go. Oh, that is nice. So very solid packaging. That's always very important, especially we do have legitimate glass right there. All right. Yeah, a nice thick foam packing there on the top. That is something else. Very nice looking cabinet. So we got our power cord here on the bottom. That is 120 volts. That's nice. So we got our display right here. We got our on-off switch, and this is going to be where we're going to be able to set the temperature. It's got a nice, solid feeling door. Looks like we got a lock on the top, so if we want to make sure that nobody can get into it, we can make that happen. So these shelves are just being held in with some zip ties, and they're being held together with some more zip ties. So we got 3 shelves, and we've got a whole bunch of holes in the back. So we just find the height that we like, and then we can snap it into these guys in the front. And it looks like these are adjustable as well, so if you want to, you can put those shelves where the heck you want. Oh, looks like there is a direction for these to go, so we'll put those on facing the correct way. Very nice. So yeah, essentially we're just looking at a refrigerator with glass on 4 sides. Now you can get a lot more light in, so it makes everything look a little prettier. It really amplifies what you're looking at, and plus it puts it on display. You can actually see what's in there without having to open up the door. So we got our instructions. It's pretty simple, just some warnings on there for what you can and can't do. Things like, you know, don't step on the cord, don't flush it with water, and then it tells us how to use the controller. It does also come with a couple extra of these plastic clips, just in case you lose or break one, and we've got our keys right here. Looks like we can move the door a little bit with it locked, but you're not really going to be able to get inside. Just nice to have that option. Maybe if you're the type of person that likes to eat in the middle of the night, that can save you from yourself. So it looks like we do have leveling feet here on the bottom, so in the event that you're going to be putting this on an unlevel surface, you'll be able to correct for that. So very happy to see that. All right, and we are on. We do have a light. That's nice. So I can add even more light to that. And then we got a setting button, so that is going to be for changing between the current temperature and our set temperature. So right now it's set to 40 degrees. We can adjust that. So it looks like we can go to 34 degrees if we want to. And it looks like the max temp is 43, so 34 to 43 degrees. Let's go to 40 degrees. And we'll let that guy run. Okay, so that took exactly 30 minutes to get from 75 degrees to 39 degrees. It did do that in stages, so it kind of cooled off, chilled out, but eventually it did get there. So 30 minutes is definitely not bad, especially for something that is basically glass all the way around. But I can feel on here, putting my fingers on it, that is nice and cold on the inside, and more importantly, I do not see fog on here. So something very important for a display case. Oh yeah, and that is nice and cool on the inside. So let's go ahead and load this guy up. Oh man, it feels nice standing right here. We can't use this bottom part as a shelf as well, so that's just going to be a matter of, is that something that you want to do? And it's kind of crazy. It is basically the perfect height for a soda can. As of right now, it looks like we're fairly evenly spaced. We got about 5 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches. So 6 on every shelf except the top, which is 5 inches. So you heard the compressor kick on just now, so it will cycle on and off as needed. But what I've been noticing with that is that it is not very loud. Like, you can hear the thing, it kind of just hums in the background, but it is nothing that I would consider to be distracting. We are loaded up, and there is actually quite a bit of room left in there. I might be able to fit 2 12 packs on a single shelf, maybe just barely. So this is just measuring from edge to edge on the grate. Look at about 13 3/4 there. And to the glass, it's about 15 3/4. Front to back, just inside the grate, we're looking at 1 foot. And if you were to go off the back, we're getting about 13 inches. And I'm not going to count beyond that to the door. But I did notice that the door is rounded, which is actually kind of nice. It gives you a little bit more of an effect. But if you did have a cake that was kind of sitting off the front, that would give you a little bit more room on the center than it would on the side. Let's go ahead and bring these guys up to the front. Yeah, that has a very nice look to it. Really do like the way that the light at the top actually kind of affects everything else. But again, this is a 360-degree view. You can see that from every single side. So I'm going to let that cool down, and I will come back to it. All right, so I just got off of work. Let's go ahead and see how we did. Nice and chilled. That is perfect. So 40 degrees for soda keeps that nice and cold. So yeah, if you want to have a display that is also a refrigerated display that you can see from every single angle, you literally have 360 degrees. Does have a lock on it in the event that you need that, and just looks really good. That is going to be an excellent option.